Now I'm going to tell you about food. My favorite meal is lunch. For lunch, I usually eat a sandwich, sometimes with ham and cheese or turkey and cheese, and I have chips and water and then some kind of dessert afterwards. My favorite food is fried chicken. You take chicken and you dip it in a batter, and then you put it in a frying pan with olive oil and butter, and then you fry it until it's nice and crispy. A typical meal in Maryland usually involves crabs. Maryland is very famous for their crabs. Sometimes we steam the crabs and then we break them open with a mallet and eat the meat that way. Or we take the crab meat and bake it into a cake and then fry it or broil it. Crab tastes very good, and we always season it with Old Bay.